Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable link previews on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! As an advanced security measure, you can turn on disable link preview. This is an optional layer of security to protect your IP address, which may contain information that some of our most privacy conscious users are mindful of. If you turn on disable link preview, the link you send won't generate a link preview. You may still receive link previews from other sender. Receiving link preview has no impact on your IP address. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Tap on privacy. You can scroll down. Tap on advanced. And you'll find there is an option disable link preview to help protect your IP address from being invaded by third-party websites. Preview for the links you share in chats will no longer be generated. You can enable by tap on the toggle like this, so the link preview will be disabled. It's so simple, right? So that is how to disable link preview on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!